Welcome to the UC Libraries tutorial on advanced searching. The advanced search allows you to set parameters before you begin. To start with an advanced search, open the library homepage at ucumberlands.edu/library and click Search to enter the catalog. The advanced search is located at the top right corner beside the simple search box. To go back to the basic simple search, simply click Simple Search. The advanced search will default to two search lines. These search lines are connected by Boolean operators, and, or, and not. These operators allow you to combine your search terms strategically. For example, if I wanted to find resources that discuss both music and autism, I would connect those two lines with and. And typically decreases the number of search hits because it requires resources that discuss both terms. Alternatively, or increases your search results by giving the system an option to choose resources that match one keyword or another. Or is best used when one of your search terms has synonyms. For example, if I was doing research on seniors, I could also add elderly and connect the terms with or. This tells the system that you'll accept results with either term. Not is used to exclude something from your search. For example, if I was doing research on music, but I did not want to include resources on classical music, I might put music not classical. Let's go back to resources about music and autism. Click Search. Matching results will appear with keywords highlighted in yellow. Edit your search formula by clicking the drop-down arrow beside the search box. You can use parentheses or quotation marks to help clarify the intended relationship between search terms, ensuring that the search engine performs operations in the desired order. For example, if I was researching music and emotional intelligence, I could put parentheses around emotional intelligence to tell the system to find those two words in that exact order. You can also use parentheses to nest terms for more complex search combinations. For example, if I were to search for music and emotional intelligence or self-awareness, the system will evaluate the query based on the parentheses first, just like the order of operations in math. Another way to modify your search is to use truncation, which allows the system to search for multiple forms of a word at once. For example, if I were to add an asterisk to the end of the word music, it prompts the system to also search for words with the same root. For example, musical, musician, musicality, and more. Truncation usually increases your search results. Finally, using a wildcard replaces a single character anywhere in a word. It is most useful when searching for words that have multiple spellings and you want to find all variants at once. For example, Americans spell color this way, while Europeans spell color with a U. To find resources that discuss either color or color, I could connect the two with or instead use a wildcard. Usually a wildcard is a quotation mark or a pound sign. You can use these same search techniques in the library catalog, subject databases, or even Google Scholar. Thanks for watching.